Hey, this is Hans.
And this is Kit.
And this is the chocolate break. That's what it is.
Yeah.
Been a while.
How long? 2 weeks?
Since last week, at least as far as they're concerned. Although you were on a research assignment for the chocolate break. How did that go?
It went well. I found some chocolate.
I know that you were in deep cover and kind of like couch surfing, couching it up on the couch.
Deep in thought.
Deep in thought. Yeah. So.
Yeah.
But our
my replacement did a good job.
He did very well, and he was thoughtful about it, and he was kind, and he is now one of us.
Yeah.
One of us.
We'll have to make some more guest appearances.
One of us.
Yep.
Yes, he will. Well, shall we begin?
Let's begin. Am I going first?
You may. Here is your napkin of love.
Thank you.
Your love napkin.
So today we have, it's a Montezuma's Great British Eton Mess Pudding Bar. It's milk chocolate with strawberry and meringue.
Meringue.
Pudding bar. Pudding.
I like pudding.
Pudding in a bar.
Sweet, sweet pudding. And I'm guessing that hails from Great Britain.
It's West Sussex.
Oh, West Sussex, I see. Yes. Yes.
Shiny package. It's got stars on it.
She's got a golden ticket.
Yeah. Wow. That's like gonna blind you in the eye shiny.
A large brown ticket.
Oh, look at that. It's up at the top. It's got their logo.
Oh,
they're not all
weird.
little squares. It smells very strawberry.
I like strawberries. Do you like strawberries?
I do.
I'm glad.
Strawberries.
Oh my.
Strawberries.
That's violence. Who would be so violent with a... Oh, Jesus.
That's how people know I'm serious business.
You are serious business, yeah.
Maybe the chocolate is just supposed to taste like pudding.
Perhaps it is pudding chocolated.
Well, let's see. Bing! No?
There's a lot of build-up. I do like the meringue, which I'm going to say is more like violet crumble, which you'll understand once we have violet crumble. However, it's good. It doesn't evoke a feel of pudding to me, though.
No, not at all.
And the strawberry flavor, honestly, it came on, reminded me more of raisins.
And the afterthought of the strawberry I'm getting is bitter.
Yeah, so that's a chemical reaction.
It's like a fake strawberry and chocolate flavor. And then after you've chewed it all, and then you kind of get that bitter aftertaste. At least that's what I'm getting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Score.
2.
2. Whoa. No, I'll give it a 3. It's chocolate.
Yeah, could be worse.
This is fancy.
Better. Yeah, it is really fancy looking.
But fancy doesn't feed the animals.
No, fancy doesn't mean that it tastes good.
No.
Into the bag with it.
Into the bag that we do not share with our viewers. Please note, viewers may think about the bag, but you will not get the bag. And I will lay out this. And speaking of our viewers, we have one that someone requested, an L-Ion bar.
Or as other people would say, lion.
Oh, I thought it was science.
There's a lion right there.
If you turn it upside down, this might be this, or maybe just right side up. Noi 7. Noi 7. Or wait. No 7. It's an exclamation point. See? It's a lion bar. It's a Nestle lion bar. And it is from...
Didn't we get that one here in the state?
We did. You can see things.
York.
York, so that's British as well.
Yeah. This is made by Nestle. Main Road, York, UK. On that note, very lion-y.
Roar, baby, roar. It looks like a lion bowel movement. But you know, I've found that some of the chocolates we've had on the chocolate break have looked, some of the best ones have looked like bowel movements.
Big poops.
Now, the only way this could look more like poop is if it had slight curve to it. Today, I have opted not to use the blade of Kayless.
What? No. Why? What happened?
Because I just don't feel like it.
Did you break it?
No.
Is it covered in chocolate?
The blade of Kayless cannot be broken by mortal hands.
Oh, okay.
It does have chocolate on it. I just It's up on a high shelf. I'll leave it there with the pies. Anyways, I have this.
Ooh.
The dagger of pain and pleasure.
A paring knife.
No. It's a one piece. It's balanced. It's very nice. It's cuisine art. That's what that means.
Wow. And you think I'm crazy with a knife? Oh, how neat. It almost looks like it has a little wafer cookie, and then maybe some caramel, and then some Rice Crisps.
It's a lot of
and then
action
some
going on
chocolate.
here.
Yeah, it's a busy bar.
You ready?
Yeah.
This is nuts. Is that?
I don't think there's nuts.
Your thoughts?
I like that.
It reminds me of a 100 grand bar.
Yeah.
A little bit less gooey.
I like that it's not gooey, but I also like that the chocolate doesn't seem disgustingly sweet, and it balances really well with the other items in there, like the rice puffs and...
It's like they thought about it a little bit before just like slapping a bunch of crap together.
Yeah.
That's good.
That's pleasant.
That was a good idea.
Thank you.
Score.
4.5.
I'll agree. 4.5. That's a good bar.
Yeah.
It's not a Mr. Good bar.
No.
That's just a good bar.
I want to know why it's called a lion bar.
Because it's got a lion on it, or R, and kids like lions. And
Okay.
I go with that.
All right, we'll go with that.
Could originally be a reference to a soccer team.
Gertine?
Okay, football. International football.
There's a football team called Lions?
I'm sure there is. There's a lot of them.
No. All right. We'll have to research that.
But we won't. Because we don't have the time. We're doing videos for you. That was the longest pause we've had ever.
Probably, but you're being a little weird.
What are you talking about?
On that note, we won't make them suffer anymore. So, we're gonna put this delicious bar, wrap it up.
Place it in the diaper sheeting of all the other poop.
Yep.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.
Feel. Hope. Despair. Goodbye.
Goodbye.